What is going on, YouTube? We are back with another video. Today we are not working on the Jetta, but we are working on a part for the Jetta. So I have my old hood. This hood got pretty trashed. It flew up actually when we turboed the car. I forget what happened, but I didn't close the hood all the way. It flew up while we were driving and kind of bent in some weird areas. So I went ahead and started some body filler last night, but I figured I would stop and continue when I had the camera with me, and we got the camera with me. So we're gonna go ahead and start filling in some of these holes and getting it all sanded back smooth, and get this thing prepped and ready, because I want to do a carbon fiber copy of that hood, and we will do it a wet layout, which is what most DIYers would probably want to do. Vacuum bagging is a little bit more involved, a little bit more money and time and whatever. We're trying to get this fast and see how close we can get to a copy of that hood as we can. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have to be a usable hood. I have a bunch of Bondo that we need to lay, so we'll go ahead and get started with that. I'll put you guys on like a tripod or something, and this video is probably just gonna be me globbing on Bondo, sanding it, globbing more on, sanding it. So yeah. Alright guys, so we are about 5 coats deep with this Bondo. I'm going to call it there. I did a bunch on camera, as you guys saw. It's just kind of a boring process, so I didn't want to bore you with the rest of it. So that was maybe like 1 or 2 coats that you guys saw, and then I came in here and really just laid it down. You have to do it in thin coats and then just stack them up heavy, well, thinly, but stack them up. And it'll stick a little bit better and work a little bit better for you. So went ahead and did that. This whole top of the hood is what we did today. This one I haven't touched. I'm gonna wait until we do some sanding just to see if it's still a little bit weird, and we'll go ahead and pick it up tomorrow and hopefully get everything all flattened out, and then we can start working on priming this whole thing, and then we can wet sand that and get it nice and smooth as well. And we'll get the plug all finished up, and then we can start laying carbon hopefully by, I'm gonna say, either Sunday or next week. I don't really want to rush it too much as I do want to rush it, but yeah, we probably won't rush it. We'll take our time, and I want to figure out where I want to do hood scoop or vents or whatever. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.